Well, hello there, viewers. Hello here. Well, I'm in the gospel tent here, and the tent is being hammered with 60-mile-per-hour gusts here, taking the full blunt of the windstorm we got here. This deep low pressure system sitting over us is going to be bringing cold down, cold Arctic air too. Already getting the temperature dropping this fast. So the tent here, the Stoic Madrone tent, is being hammered. The winds are coming from the west, so it's starting to tear apart my dining canopy. Like one of the corners pulled out one of the grommets. So I'm gonna have to. I tried to fix it when I was outside, but it's just way too windy. I can't do anything with it. It's crazy. So I just got to rock out a creek to fix the corner. But right now, I can't do anything about it. So this tent's being hammered right now. This Stoic Madrone. So yeah, it comes and goes. The gust, it starts gusting. It's about 60. It's very, 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 very strong winds we got here, dear viewers. So thank the good Lord, this tent is holding up. You know what I credit? It's these large diameter 11mm poles here that is keeping the tent up. The most of the winds hit from the west here. So it blows. It's gusts. When it goes, it's probably about has to be at least 60 miles per hour. So I thank God I got some solid panels here so that the tent can carry the tent out of here. That blocks out some of that window. But the rest of the tent is so you can see the the poles flexing here. The tent poles are flexing here. It's extremely windy here. Extremely windy. So this tent's being battered, yeah. Yeah, it's a little after 8 o'clock here. Saturday morning here. Today would be the, I don't know what the date is. 11th or 12th or 12th. Maybe. I think the 13th. Saturday the 13th here. So.